Good morning and welcome to BUSA 215 for summer 2006. My name is Julie Heidecker, and you can contact me via email only this summer. I won't be around on campus. So I want to go through and show you a couple of things to get you started right off the bat. You can do this today. So the first thing you need to do is go to this web address, Pearson My IT Lab. Just go through this, and when you get to here, and I'll send you a handout that'll have the address easier for you to read. When you get to here, you'll go to register now and click on student and OK, register now. And notice it says when you get your email, make sure you put in the email that you're going to answer and you're going to look at, because I send an email almost every day with instructions or changes. So if you don't check your email every day, this is not the class for you. But I don't see any problem with people who get in and check their email all the time. You'll get sick of it from me, I can guarantee you. So go ahead and click and register now, and you'll have a key code. And you'll put this information in, and I will send you this information. So I'll send you this in just a few minutes, and it will look just like this. And you will see right here, say go to this. You can just highlight that, copy and paste it into your browser. And then when it says enter your instructor ID, just highlight this and copy and paste it. And right click copy, or however you want to copy, and then you'll paste it up here, and presto, then you'll follow the prompts from there. I can't do it now because I'm an instructor, but you can follow the prompts from there. Now when you get to a certain part, you'll have the option of paying or using the 14-day free pass. My suggestion is do the 14-day free pass, because that's 2 weeks. For some of you can get done in 14 days because everything for the entire class is up. So every assignment, everything that you're doing is up. So once you have this set up, you'll go to here and you'll sign in using your username. You can see mine. Fortunately, the password is coded out. You'd be surprised how many times I've shared my password. And then you won't see all of this. You'll just see your one that you're taking, or however many you're doing this summer. But then you'll come to here. And right here, this is where we do everything. Everything goes through here. We don't do anything on Blackboard or Canvas. Everything goes through here. So it's important that you watch some of these videos if you're new to online learning or you're new to this. So you'll go to the tentative timeline, and this shows you everything that we're doing, and all of this is available. You could start today and be done. I had a student who was done before the semester even started. I've had several, actually. So this tells you everything that we're doing. And this is the information that you'll need. So you can read through this. Please do not wait until the last week. Yep, because everything's open until the last day, and the last day is Thursday, July 28th. So week 1, we're going to do 4 assignments, as you can see. Chapter 1, we always do 4, well, each week we'll do 2 or 4. So chapter 1, grader project homework, chapter 1, grader project assessment, and then chapter 2, grader project homework, and chapter 2, assessment. So we always do a homework and then an assessment. Now for chapter 3, you're going to do 2 assignments and then you do the assessment. So then you'll do a capstone case grader, as you can see right here. And a capstone case grader is just like one of these case graders. Okay, and we'll go through that and I'll show you. I have a bunch of videos for all of this. Now right here it says simulated exam. That exam you have to take at a testing center or with a proctor. And what that means is you either go to one of the CSI's testing center or a BSU testing center or a Idaho State or North Idaho, whatever, and they will administer the exam. If you can't get to any of those places, you must have somebody proctor the test for you. And what that means is it has to be somebody from a school library that's open in the summer or a place like that. Can't be a friend, can't be work, can't be any of that. So it's actually easier just to go to a college. And they will give you, or they'll set you down, get you going, and then they put in the password. You can't access the password until somebody else puts it in. And that is due by June 19th. So you can see this stuff starts and goes fast. So week 1 work is due, we start on the 6th, so it's due June 12th. So you have 2 weeks to get this stuff done. And then here, the tests is due June 19th. And once we're done with that, we start right into Excel. And Excel we use a little bit more because it's a little harder. So here's Excel work. And then the same thing, you'll do the capstone case creator, and then the simulated exam must be done with a proctor or at a testing center. And then here's access, same thing. And you can see there's the Excel assessments, and then here's access assessment. Notice here it says no simulated exam. And that is correct. There is only the case grader for access. You don't have to go anywhere, because the capstone case graders you can do anywhere. They're just like assignments. And then we get through PowerPoint. And then the very last week, you're going to do the PowerPoint assessment. And that would be the simulated exam where you have to have a proctor or testing center, and then the capstone case grader, and then the final assessment. So this is all due right here, Thursday, June 25th. That's a lie. I don't know how I did that, but I'll fix that. It's supposed to be Thursday, July 28th at noon. So, no, I'll fix that here in just a minute. Then, here's a great little thing about getting started. I suggest maybe you go through this. First thing you should do is a browser tune-up and just go see whether your machine is compatible. So that is a very good thing to do if you're not sure, because this takes a lot of memory because it's all video and web-based. Here's the assignment calendar. So it will, you'll click on this and it will show you when things are due. You can click here to do. And I don't have anything filled in quite yet, but it will be. And this is a pop-up. So you want to make sure that you do not have a pop-up blocker on. And if you have a pop-up blocker, this won't pop up. And there'll be a big red X up here. And what you have to do is click on that red X and say accept information from this or something. I don't know the exact verbiage, but you have to click on that so that these things can pop up. Okay, so let me get out of this one. Nice. And we can go back to the main menu. Here are video lectures. I wouldn't recommend going here. Maybe I'll close that off. But I will have a video lecture for every single assessment. So see where it says Word Chapter 1 assessment. If you click on this, this one is private. I don't know why. So I have it. So let's go to this one. And you can see, you just click here, and it will run it. And this will step you through each of the assessments.
Go to Grader.
So you can see Word Chapter 2, this is from the past spring, so the dates will be different, all homework, and that's wrong too. So don't worry, don't look at these blue things with dates. They're from another semester, but I want you to have an opportunity to watch how you do this. So this one is the assessment, but it is just like the homework. So you can do the homework first if you want, whichever you want, but, and here we go. This is Word 3. So there is a video for each one. Okay?
So as you can see right here, it says we will not do a simulated exam until they are working better. So there are no simulated exams.
And what that one is, was there were simulated exams in the middle of the week, just practice ones for the final, and they don't work. But you will take the simulated exam, the final. So I'll make this a lot more clear as we continue through the summer. So communication tool, grades is a place for you to go. The rest of it, this is an instructor view, so you don't, you won't see this much. But, oh my goodness. It's obvious I'm ready for the summer. Anyway, everything we do is here. Everything we do is here. So, we communicate only via email. That's the only way. There won't be phone calls or anything like that because I won't be on campus this summer. So you have 8 weeks to do this work, and I am excited for the summer. I think you'll find this to be very beneficial in terms of what you learn on the pieces of software. It is very fast. It goes very fast, so make sure you don't wait. I don't know what happened here. Do not purchase the text. Yeah. It's a very short 8 weeks, so don't wait until the last week and think, oh, I'll do all of this, because you will not be able to do. Obviously, I can't talk and text or type. You will not be able to get all the work done in the last week. Okay, so don't put all of this off. My suggestion is get in it to do as much as you can. Now, the Excel part and the Access part, those are both difficult. So you're learning a lot of stuff for each one of those pieces of software in a very short amount of time. So whatever, remember, don't wait till the last week because you'll get an F. Okay. So Carnegie units dictate that for every 1 credit in class, you should have 3 credits of homework. And we use Carnegie units. But for me, I figure if you work on this, most of this stuff you can get, each week's work, you can get done in 2 or 3 hours. But don't delay, don't post, don't not, stop and not do this. Keep up or get ahead. So I hope everything goes well for you before summer starts, and I look forward to working with you in the summer, and have a wonderful day.